Are you ready to embrace a bolder living room, Brits? It's time to say goodbye to plain beige and hello to a world of retro-inspired sofa patterns. After a period of safe interior choices, living rooms are undergoing a transformative shift. The focus is now on creating spaces with personality, warmth, and a touch of nostalgia. Designers are tapping into the maximalist trend, bringing back the charm of the 70s and 80s with a modern twist. But here's where it gets interesting. In 2026, neutral sofas are still popular, but they're no longer the main event. Patterned fabrics are taking center stage, adding a retro-inspired optimism to rooms while maintaining a practical and grounded feel. Families and renters alike are seeking durable, lived-in spaces, and retailers are responding with bolder options. So, what's the big deal about patterns? Patterns offer a unique solution to common living room challenges. They hide marks and scuffs better than solid colors, add energy without the need for repainting, and give a room a distinct personality. It's a win-win situation. And this is the part most people miss. Two key movements are driving this pattern revival: maximalism and cottagecore. Maximalism celebrates personality and layered details, while cottagecore brings comfort and a sense of nostalgia. Together, they create a perfect blend on your sofa. Expect a mix of vintage-inspired elements and modern updates. Slimmer arms, rounded cushions, and playful piping will give a fresh look to classic shapes. Botanical prints, striped velvet, and a fusion of references from the 70s and 80s will keep your living room stylish and unique. Here are 5 patterns leading the charge. Stripes with discipline. Vertical or rugby white stripes create a sharp and elongated effect, perfect for compact spaces. Checks and gingham, small-scale grids add a homely feel and pair beautifully with natural materials like oak and rattan. Florals and botanicals, soft repeats bring warmth to modern spaces and balance out concrete floors. Animal hints, a subtle leopard or zebra print on cushions transforms a plain sofa into a statement piece. Tartan and tweed, autumnal tones add depth and work harmoniously with leather, brass, and smoked glass. But how do you avoid overwhelming your space with pattern? Start by considering scale. Go bold with a large-scale pattern on your sofa and opt for smaller patterns on cushions. Keep the color palette simple, with 3 colors maximum, and repeat each tone at least twice for a cohesive look. Use one geometric and one organic motif to avoid visual clutter. Choose a hero pattern for your sofa and echo its colors in 2 quieter elements, such as a lampshade and a throw, or a rug border and a vase. Match lines with lines and curves with curves for a harmonious composition. A quick guide to pattern pairing. Pattern scale, room size, best pairings, watchouts. Large stripes, small to medium plain rug, slim legs, 1 accent color, too many verticals near tall bookcases. Small gingham, any natural timber, linen curtains, matte paint, busy with patterned wallpaper of similar scale. Mid florals, medium to large round tables, soft lamps, solid rug competing with bold art of equal size. Tartan/tweed, medium, leather chair, brass hardware, wool blanket heavy alongside dark walls and floors. Care and performance tips. Printed upholstery is a practical choice. Patterns disguise everyday wear and tear, giving you more time between deep cleans. Look for removable covers, especially if you have pets or young children. Check for machine washable labels and hidden zips for easy maintenance. Choose tight weaves for durability and lint control. When it comes to performance, ask for the Martindale rub count. Aim for 30,000 plus 4 busy households. Opt for stain-guarded fabrics that repel spills without a shiny finish. Test with water in store if possible, and check lightfastness if your sofa will be in direct sunlight. Budget-friendly options. You have plenty of choices at various price points. Add a patterned slipcover for around £199 to refresh a solid sofa. Reupholstering a quality frame can cost between £600 and £1,200, depending on fabric and detail. New mid-range patterned sofas often fall between £599 and £1,299. Vintage frames are more affordable but may require upgrades to webbing and foam. Invest in durable seat fabric and save on the back if it faces a wall. Opt for mid-scale prints for longevity, as loud, oversized motifs can date quickly. Classic stripes and garden prints age well and mix easily with other decor. Safety and practical tips. In the UK, upholstered furniture must comply with the Furniture and Furnishings, Fire, Safety Regulations 1988. Look for compliance labels on new sofas. For vintage pieces, use a reputable upholsterer who can ensure compliance with interliners and foams. Keep candles and heaters away from fringes and loose throws. Measure doors and stairs before purchasing, as patterns can complicate returns if a sofa doesn't fit. Confirm lead times for custom fabrics, which can take 8 to 12 weeks. Order a spare meter of fabric for future repairs. Renters and small space strategies. Landlords may be hesitant about bold sofas. Work around this by adding removable patterned slipcovers or tie-ons. Use a printed loveseat or patterned armchairs to bring energy without the commitment. Mirrors and neutral curtains can help balance a patterned room, and a single color rug can ground the scheme. 7 looks to try. Navy ticking stripes, oak side table, and a cream wool rug. Olive gingham, rattan lamp, and a terracotta vase. Rose botanical, round marble table, and a brass floor lamp. Caramel cord, tartan cushions, and a dark green throw. Charcoal herringbone, linen curtains, and birch shelves. Leopard accent cushion, camel sofa, and a smoked glass side table. Multicolor awning stripe, white walls, and a jute rug. Try before you commit tips. Tape fabric swatches on the back cushion and seat, and live with them for a week. Check them at different times of the day and take black and white photos to test contrast. If the pattern holds up without color, it's a good choice. Print an A4 sheet with your chosen motif scaled to cushion size and blue tack it to your sofa. Step back 3 meters and see if your eye rests easily. If not, consider a simpler or larger pattern. What does this mean for retailers? Retailers are preparing for a wider range of fabric options and faster cover swaps. Expect modular sofas with clip-on arms and loose, patterned covers. Look out for rental-friendly options with reversible cushions and a lively mix of stock and made-to-order pieces to reduce waste. Extra tips for savvy buyers. 2 concepts will help you master the art of pattern: the 60-30-10 balance and repetition. Let one neutral take up 60% of the room, your sofa pattern 30%, and a sharp accent the final 10%. Echo a sofa color in 2 smaller items to create a cohesive scheme. These guides will reduce impulse regrets and protect your resale value. Final thoughts. Patterned sofas offer a unique and personalized touch to your living room. With the right choices and a few practical tips, you can create a space that's both stylish and functional. So, are you ready to embrace the pattern revolution?